The Magical Map of Spain. Leo and his older sister, Isabella, were exploring their grandma's dusty attic when they found a mysterious wooden box. Inside was an old, rolled-up map. "What's this?" Leo whispered, unrolling it carefully. It was a map of a country called Spain. As Isabella traced the drawing of a strange, towering building in a city called Barcelona, her finger glowed with a golden light. Whoosh! The attic disappeared, and they found themselves standing in front of the most amazing church they had ever seen. "It looks like it's made of sandcastles," Leo exclaimed. They walked around the building, marveling at the colorful mosaics and tall columns that looked like giant trees reaching for the sky. Next, Leo pointed to a grand palace in the south of Spain, in a city called Granada. Zap! They were suddenly in a courtyard filled with the sound of trickling fountains and the scent of orange blossoms. "This is the Alhambra," Isabella whispered in awe. They peeked through arched windows and saw stunning gardens. The walls were covered in beautiful, swirling patterns. "It's a real-life fairy tale palace," said Isabella, sketching furiously in her little book. Wanting to see nature, Leo pressed his finger on a patch of green mountains in the north. Foosh! The warm air turned cool and crisp. They were standing on a path surrounded by towering, jagged peaks called the Picos de Europa. An eagle soared high above them. "Wow!" said Leo. "You can see for miles and miles." They watched clouds drift below them and felt like they were on top of the world. "Time for the beach," Isabella laughed, pointing to the southern coast. In a flash, they felt warm sand between their toes and heard the gentle lapping of waves. They were on a golden beach in Andalusia with the bright sun shining down. For their last trip, Isabella touched a spot in a city called Seville. Suddenly, they were in a dark room where a woman in a red dress was dancing. The sound of a guitar and rhythmic clapping filled the air. It was a passionate, beautiful dance called flamenco. With a final shimmer, they were back in the attic, the map lying softly on the floor. "Spain is full of magic," Leo said. Isabella nodded, opening her sketchbook filled with their adventures. "And we'll go back one day."